Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sequo, and as you can see right here, we have Luna. Okay, this is another Defi, and as you can see, Luna is sitting at price of around $31.58. Where do you think that the price of Luna will go is like somewhere around here. Okay, for this cryptocurrency, as you can see, we did manage to push through the downside. Then we did manage to break through these highs right here through these opens. So, as of looking at the chart at the moment, I still believe that it could continue to push through the downside. Like not like, of course, not in a bad way, because I believe that it has a. No, actually, can we have a reversal into this? I don't know, bro. But for the thing right now is that I will be waiting, because as you can see on the lower time frame, this line was already retested. So I think that something like this could continue to happen. So yeah, let me know what are your thoughts about this, and then from here on, I think that something like this could happen. Okay, so yeah, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.